Did you know that a simple online check can completely secure the quality of healthcare you or your loved ones receive? It's true. Stay tuned as we dive deep into verifying a nurse's license in Maine online, ensuring you get absolutely top notch medical care. Welcome to This Explainer. Let's jump right in and learn how to get that peace of mind. Look, when we talk about healthcare, trust is literally everything. But, trust should also be verified. Whether you're a patient, a family member trying to hire at-home care, or an employer, we are going to explore exactly how to verify a nurse's license in Maine online. By the end of our time today, you'll know exactly where to look, what to look for, and how to actually understand the results. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with why verification matters, then look at the regulatory landscape, go through a step-by-step guide, figure out how to understand the search results, tackle some frequently asked questions, and wrap up with resources and next steps. Starting with Section 1, Why Verification Matters. The Maine State Board of Nursing has a very clear mandate. Their mission is to protect public health, safety, and welfare by regulating the licensure of nurses, their practice, and nursing education programs. Verifying a license is just a critical safeguard. For patients and employers, it prevents nightmare scenarios regarding malpractice or fraudulent activity. It basically ensures that the person providing care is legally authorized, properly educated, and actually competent to do so safely. Doing this simple check directly supports the board's entire mission. Moving on to Section 2, the regulatory landscape. What's really fascinating about Maine's system is how they divide the oversight of healthcare workers. It's not just a one-size-fits-all thing. The Maine State Board of Nursing, or MSBON, governs professional nurses. That includes registered nurses, licensed practical nurses, and advanced practice registered nurses. On the flip side, the DHS Division of Licensing and Certification manages the registries for certified nursing assistants and direct care workers. So if you're looking up a professional nurse, MSBON is definitely your target. The foundation of their authority is pretty unique. Established all the way back in 1915, the Maine State Board of Nursing is a completely self-sustaining regulatory agency. They fund themselves entirely through licensing fees, meaning zero taxpayer dollars. They operate as the definitive authority for evaluating educational curricula, issuing those professional nursing credentials, and handling disciplinary complaints. When you look up a record in their system, you are getting it straight from the source. But there is a modern twist you really need to be aware of, and that's the Nurse Licensure Compact, or NLC. Maine is a compact state. This means a nurse whose primary residence is in another compact state might hold a multi-state license issued by their home state, and that license legally allows them to practice in Maine, both physically in a hospital and via telehealth, without having to apply for a separate Maine license. Keep this in your back pocket because it totally affects where you might need to look if a Maine search comes up empty.
Let's get into Section 3, Step-by-Step Online Verification.
Maine uses this computerized database called the Licensing Management System, or ALMS. It is incredibly straightforward and, best of all, requires absolutely no account or login to use. Step 1, you just navigate to the state's ALMS online query portal. Step 2, you do a quick search by typing in the nurse's exact first and last name, or if you happen to have it, their specific state-issued license number. Step 3, once those results pop up, you simply click the matching record to view their full profile. That includes issue dates, expiration dates, and any authorized specialties. Okay, quick timeout. Let's talk about how to avoid the most common pitfall of a totally failed search. The state's database is highly literal. You absolutely must enter the nurse's name exactly as it is registered. If they registered under a maiden name or a formal name like Robert instead of Bob, and you type Bob, you're probably going to get 0 results. To save yourself a massive headache, if you can get the exact license number up front, just use that. It bypasses the whole name spelling issue instantly. Section 4, Understanding Search Results. Let's decode these official status indicators. This is where you find out right away whether a professional is legally cleared to provide care. Active means exactly that. They are licensed and in good standing. Inactive means the license isn't currently in use but could be reactivated later. If you see lapsed or expired, that means they missed their renewal and absolutely cannot practice. And finally, suspended means their practice is temporarily prohibited due to disciplinary action, while revoked means the board has permanently terminated their license. Now, if a nurse does have a suspended or revoked status, or they're under probation or consent order, that disciplinary history is part of the public record. Maine system is amazingly efficient here. The ALMS database reflects license updates, address changes, renewals, and board disciplinary actions within just 24 to 48 hours of it happening. This ensures real-time transparency for anyone doing a check. It is a highly reliable tool for patient safety. Moving on to Section 5, frequently asked questions. Remember how we discussed that nurse licensure compact earlier? If the nurse holds a multi-state license that was not primarily issued by Maine, you won't find the full details in the Maine ALMS database. Instead, you'll want to verify it through Nurses. Nurses is the national database operated by the National Council of State Boards of Nursing. It's a lifesaver if you're ever unsure which state actually issued a traveling or telehealth nurse's primary license. This is a huge one, especially for any employers tuning in. The answer is no. The information from the State Board Lookup tool is just for general reference. It is not a Fair Credit Reporting Act or FCRA-compliant consumer report. What that means is it cannot legally be used on its own to make employment, tenant, credit, or insurance decisions. While it's a fantastic initial check, employers still absolutely need to use licensed consumer reporting agencies for official background checks. Section 6. Resources and next steps. If you ever hit a roadblock, here are your official contacts. You can check out the Maine State Board of Nursing website at maine.gov/Board of Nursing. If you've got unresolved inquiries about a specific license, you can actually call their help desk directly at 207-287-1133. They're available during standard business hours, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Monday through Friday, though they are closed on state holidays. And of course, remember to use nurses.com for any of those national multi-state verification needs. Just a quick heads up, please keep in mind that while the information in this explainer is highly accurate as of August 25th, 2026, state databases and regulations can and do evolve. Always consult the Maine State Board of Nursing directly or a legal professional for the most current information, especially if you are looking into this for official legal or hiring purposes. So I'm going to leave you with this question. Will you take just 2 minutes today to verify the credentials of the healthcare professionals in your life? Whether it's for yourself, an aging parent, or a child, a quick search provides invaluable peace of mind. Share this explainer to spread community awareness, and remember that taking just a few minutes to verify a license can protect the health and safety of everyone involved. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.